Hey everyone, it's Jackson from Jackson Quilts, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make half square triangles. So let's get started. To make half square triangles, I get two squares, and I'm going to place one upside down. I'm going to get my ruler, and I'm going to mark the diagonal center using a ceramic pencil that's suited for fabric. Next up, I'm going to place the two squares right sides together, aligning the edges. And I'm just going to grab a couple of pins and pin my squares together for when I go to the machine in just a moment. Now that that's done, I'm going to come along and I'm going to stitch 1/4 of an inch either side of the line that I've marked. Now, a little trick, if you don't like sewing against a line and prefer to sew on a line, you can mark 1/4 of an inch away from the center marking and then stitch on that line as well if you wish. All right, so I'm at my machine now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch 1/4 of an inch either side of the line that I just marked. I'm going to come along and stitch the other side of the line. Like so. Okay, now I've stitched 1/4 inch either side of the marked line. I'm just going to come along and cut down my center to create two halves. Next up, I'm going to press this block. Now that's cut, I'm just going to gently set the seam of that. I'm going to come over and press that seam to the side. I'm just going to gently roll that edge over with the tip of the iron, nice and gently. And I'm just going to sit the iron on top and press, like so. We don't want to get aggressive and push it with the iron, as that's what will actually start to cause distortion. So I'm happy. All right, so now I'm going to trim my block. And to do this, I'm going to be using a square ruler that has a diagonal marking. And this block I will trim to 7 inches. So to start off, I'm going to place the ruler with the diagonal marking on the diagonal seam. And I'm going to check my 7-inch marking is on the actual block. I'm going to start by trimming that one there. Removing that, I'm going to come round. I'm going to trim the next side. I'm going to rotate my block. I'm going to place the ruler back down. Align the diagonal and the 7-inch. Now, if you're making blocks a different size, you would align it to that size. Come along, cut, and cut. And why we trim it is it makes all our blocks all the same size so that they go back together quite nicely. Okay, and that is how I make my half square triangles. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. In the meantime, follow along for more fun videos like this and keep on sewing and embrace the chaos. Bye for now.